This is a pretty fast-paced tutorial on how to set up a daily math problem, so feel free to pause and rewind as you need.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your blog and create your post that gives the context for the problem. I've done that ahead of time here to save a little time. And then you want to create a form for students to answer. Once you've created it, click on File, Embed. I like to change the width to 500 just so that it looks good on my page. And you copy that embed code. Go back to Blogger, and up here click on HTML right next to the Compose button, and that will show you the HTML code of your blog post. And you paste the embed code into the HTML window, and then click back on Compose, and when you go back, you should see down at the bottom, your form will actually be embedded directly into the blog post. If you want to look at what that looks like, click on the Preview button, and you can see a preview of what it's going to look like, and there's the form right underneath. Now, I like to schedule these to roll out at the right time, so I will click, this one's going to come out January 6th at 10 a.m. Click Done, and then click the Publish button. Now, my students know that they have only until 8 p.m. to answer, so I like to use a script called formlimiter to close it automatically. So you go to the tool gallery and search for formlimiter and install that script, authorize it, and click accept. And to evaluate it, I use a script called Flubaroo. So you search for Flubaroo, the second search result, and authorize that script as well. So I'm going to run the initial settings for formlimiter, and then I can configure it to close the form automatically. And I'm going to pick January 6th at 8 p.m. and I do not need it to notify me when the form is closed. So I'll uncheck that box and I'll click Save Settings. And that's how you set up a daily math problem.